Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow copying content in a Telegram group chat using the Telegram web app on your PC. If you're an admin and want to make sure members can copy text or save media, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Hawk Telegram web hotspotter page. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, navigate to the hotspotter group chat, where you want to allow copying. Keep in mind that only group admins have the permission to make this change, so make sure you're an admin of the group. Now that you're inside the group, look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. In the menu, select Edit. This will open the group settings where you can modify how your group behaves. Next, you'll need to go to the Our Group Type Art section. This is where you can adjust various privacy and content sharing settings for the group. Click on Group Type RCs, and you'll see a list of options that control how content is handled in the group. Look for the option called Allow Saving Content. This setting controls whether members can copy text or download media shared in the group. To enable copying, simply select the Allow Saving Content check option. Once selected, members will be able to copy messages, images, videos, and other content shared within the group. And that's all it takes. You've successfully enabled the option to allow copying content in your Telegram web group chat. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Telegram tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.